poems to sila tong batini salia ready kering omani bage sarika ham jutama angje sanina ni kaise poems to salia the writing to yang kya sanna sinai je what I feel writing two types is divide them first is creative writing second academic writing two types of writing creative writing by academic writing bro simultaneously develop sing toku sani thanga ingai sing asu poems se situng sing tripura amni siga that I am personally very happy that I English honors poritum kuje sasalam tripura ni poems was ani paratum ma porikha ang suikha gono sui ek porikha pass kega so that is it's a pride for all of us and teenager by same khola so is a program ka so I'm happy hinga sasalam tripura sani poems mani bagi mangka first ka so as it was written in Tripura corpus education maya English translate khajun bagi season guna mangka so translation goes in academic part of academic writing ar ki academic writing angar ke example drop hai hinga so William Shakespeare's ni je bini drama bini poem song tmani poreza inke sini promise din ki tmani kare the recently we just video to means ang asa chorsa khaya some consciousness kari mon bagi ke the William Shakespeare is 500 years kam 600 years kam sin bini drama bini poem se pore tmani bolon ke brom to ye surus khisia brom to ye आलोचना khaise ke discussion khaise academic writing academic discussion to bini writing strong surprisingly that William Shakespeare that bini poems for example bini drama jating se bo nije ko sia je bini poems na to ye academic discussion khaise nai 500 600 বছর পর bini poems ko survive khani enke ono khaise ka je bini academic writing bagi hani bagi sen kebangga poems le to haine je jini young jini youth generation mo sitang poems stories to sina se kom ang kisa or kisa I am not so happy that kobita to juto siwe poems ko log to কিন্তু story sine khub kom na sini singo je mo khaina tuma ki poems to just few minutes ni sing pai pai inke story sine kom inke poems sine singo Sipelha, singing singers ka reception khapela, reading singer pela, or says that is the end of that. And get one long time to my university sabak fair nine get, some not alusana kainama. And the thing is a former the models Sasan Sika some next in the Puni Bangla I sing recitation singing kaya singing poems, no, some notable discussion kalamukisana. The old poem through the mother messages on Tanka, more demon, more kainka. Like singing the great poets of Sasan Tripurasar, Guru Tripurasar, as a bossor liberally poems, but Tapu recognition mania. Just because Brown is a limited Kobita Sika, but mini recitation Heka Paika. Can the encourage academic writing was feeling body. Academic writing, the Punishika Brownie poem like Sasan Tripurasar, Bini or poems ni main subject tuma sabna to issue bomohai language bo use khai bomohai pattern bo use khai or rhyming pattern ni khai bo saga bini kauthai level bini point ni word bomohai word no use khai ma bo easy de jotani bagi bisin or so topics on to ye sing discussion khai khai sini singo plus papers of to publish khai khai अच्छा पेपर से पब्लिश के कंगे तो बिनी पोएम्स तो वो सागर खाने सिग्नल माने अटेंशन उनको सिग्नल बट ना फ्यूचर से हायर एजुकेशन से इंटरेस्ट तो मेरा कॉलेज नी टीचर्स और प्रोफेसर्स और मिंसु को इनके और जे के हा आर्टिकल्स के लाइन के बिनी पोएम्स न तो ये बिनी स्टोरीज न तो ये that you are going to get 2 point for that API is academic performance index so ani suggestion to mona unai je some poems in I think creative writing super talent at creative writing কিন্তু academic writing ko kisha attention ni thank you